You know the one where they don't swear for your back? I be telling her because you come. Now your wife and I feel say be after and no maker. You know the people who don't swear for your back? I do not be the same in those states where you for come. All those people where you they post for come. I'm not going to forget those children. And those children are my targets. And then my targets, oh, I don't forget them all. And besides, I will forget them all. I don't forget them all. After a year waiting, Enoge, mama talk yesterday. He said she dey fly, yo. He said she dey fly, yo. He said she use something. She be don't care when you use something, take break, take cut in face now. He don't recognize you now. She be the head, no go worry you. You cut in face. You carry cry when she go cry. You crying. The girl head no go worry.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Perry and Enoge matter. Their matter never say finish for social media. Perry say she go take the thing far. Say if Enoge not beg he pikin when he sort. Now don't say that he pikin don late. He say if you not beg him, say he go tell a family make them go swear for Enoge children. Now he make me come here and say I beg Perry. This matter Enoge, may you just remove pride, just tell us make it obvious because I watched that video from the starting to the end. Now una fair trauma for a pikin wey die. The truth have to be said here. May you beg the pikin. You not gonna remove anything for your body. You not gonna remove anything. Let people laugh if they want laugh. Just tell her say, Perry, your pikin, when I use mistake, they insult. No vex. So that make Perry rest. Because this girl, they angry. She they bitter. Nobody when you go use that kind of thing mock when not go vex. I beg. This matter, you don't do too much. More have listened to Perry.
What do you do, Perry? What do you do, Perry? Now, what the person believe when they happen to her? As you believe that what you do, Perry, will feel for Perry, but that same thing when you do, Perry, will happen to your children.
Oh, wow. God daughter and God father, like on the quarrel. So. This matter not serious. So.
Okay, don't say people go back and they go back. Ask them who be open. Ask them, they will tell you how many way you dey cause when you don't know. You dey face. I been just any of my family members in Europe. None of my family members in Europe. Apart from me, we stop on call Europe, so they go punish your children. Make you cry your children.
Because of saga. No, they swear for your children. You see they do the saga. God forbid bad thing. Which kind of money I can't they look for?
Cover your children. You cover your children. You don't go straight for Perry. Perry na person pikin. Then you dey cover your children with the blood of God. How your prayer want to work? They say na waiting person know the warrior. You don't swear for me finish. You dey cover your children. How your prayer want to work? You are indeed a small boy. A small boy.
Wow. This matter don't pass, be careful. You don't pass, be careful.
My brother raised you, balance you. This is not nothing be you. This is not nothing be swear. My call the make a man they walk out for your head. I don't reach this.
Perry, I beg
you. No wrong you. I don't want more again. The fact say you swear, remain the fact say you swear. And that's on period. The thing that doesn't mean you don't talk Perry matter again. Make it swear for work. When I Perry matter, you carry confidence. I wonder how you swear once you walk. You know that you don't know anything. You come make I teach you. Now me go give you native torture. I go give you native torture. When you say you go they swear for a person for your presence, the person go mad.
Now wow. This social media.
Shout out everywhere good and not they take account people. Make a punish your man. I don't they find you my block you since. Or who kill you. Shut up, may you get out here. Get out! I'm here one call advice. Don't advise yourself. If I'm waiting, if not fair do, from the beginning of the thing, I don't see who fair break egg. I don't see who fair swear. I don't see who fair break egg. I don't see who fair lie for my head. So I meet with the national boy. I meet with the national boys. Boys when don't fuck me. When don't give money. I carry the donation.
All those ones we know say na quarrel.
They don't check you balance you yesterday night. They don't check you balance you. They say you don't reach 10,000 naira to take mad. You don't reach. I swear with my life, I don't send 1 naira come for this house, go Nigeria. Because all those ones where they don't say me, I don't get money. Even if I get 10 million naira for account today, that one not be money for where they take.
Now, wow. Social media don't turn on all that thing.
I see they talk. Now yourself, you know another person. I see they talk. Sophia, now yourself, you know another person. Wait, you went on the 2 bad since they come. Now you want to cover your children. How you want to cover your children when you are evil? When your hand already stained. That person where you say you scatter in face now. You scatter and see you not recognize you. What make you not recognize you? You don't do it for the come. You don't feel cover your children from me. You don't feel cover your children from me. You will cry. You say, no, nothing they worry you now. You know what? I go back to work.
Hey, Perry, I beg. Oh, we don't want me anybody die. Oh, we don't want me anybody pay me. I beg. Me they beg on you know give behalf. May you forgive them. Oh, all those guys swearing of it is so I beg.
Your pikin die. But you I no reach oh. But you I no reach oh.
Now so that they talk like now, they do saga.
And we attack them openly. So that they go no say see who do one. See who do one. 7 days straight madness. I will see to that.
Now wow, ye. Social media don't turn something here, say. Eh? Now wow, my people. Yeah. It's because of social media that they swear for your children. You see, they do saga.
I wonder why they call your twins when you God.
God forbid.
Your twins my God.
Come on, join me back Perry.
Because they be God.
May they join me back Perry. No, but no picking go meme, no picking go meme, no.
You know that will do you. You'll see, you know.
No picking go meme la. God not go good for that kind of thing. God not go good at all.
Don't post your pikin birthday address. Now you come for me. Post your pikin birthday address. I will be there live and direct to show you what a mad woman I am. You will see Chris, you will enter house. Post your pikin birthday address. I look at the date on the 19th when you post, and they work that day. I will call them today and say, I'm not working on the 19th. Post your pikin birthday address. Let us go crazy together.
Yeah.
Next time, you see the person they cry, person they fight, you will let them fight.
My darling people, this matter, how would I reason this Enogi and Perry matter? When not finish so. Enogi, may you stop to the talk to right now so. Tell the pikin say make it up. Now pikin wake up me they pay person. Tell her make it up verse. More na rest. My darling people, anything wanna think for what I dey talk if una see I'm not see reason with me me not understand. Hey, God forbid bad to you. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.